Yeah, hello friends. So welcome to channel again. So today we'll be going to have a technical analysis for the M&M stock. So which is in Mahindra and Mahindra. Okay, so this video is for an educational content, and it's not a recommendation for any of the trades. Okay, so please do your own analysis before taking any real trade based on this strategy. Yeah, so this is an one-day candles of M&M stocks. Okay, so and you can see that so the in one day's candle, so if this M&M is trading above this 50 days moving average, and after that here you can see that so I'll be drawing an support and resistance level for this. Okay, so here you can see that so this level acted as a resistance, right? So here you can see that so this level acted as an support for multiple times, and now you can see that so this stock has been broken this resistance level with the huge volume. So here you can see that so if you see there is no such volumes for past few months as well, and now it crossed this resistance level with the huge volumes. Okay, so and I was little bit bullish on this stock, and if you even draw the trend line, so here you can see that I can also show you using the trend line as well. So trend line also gets broken here. So here you can see this. Sorry, one second. Okay, so if you draw the trend line for this resistance, right? So here you can see this. So there is an breakout happened in the trend line as well. Okay, so and also if you want to look at the recent uptrend move, here you can see there is a upward movements, which means that the stock is making the higher high and higher lows for the recent movements, right? So we can confirm that so M&M is in the bullish mode, and we can confirm that so it gave a very good breakout of this resistance level with a huge volume. So after that, so now we want to look at the, so we have find out that this is an entry level, and we want to find out the resistance for this movement, right? So here you can see so this is an, so this level acted as a this levels will act as a resistance. So here you can see that, sorry, one second. So this level will act as a resistance for this current month. Okay, so I'll be drawing you guys an resistance line. So here you can see this level, right? So this will act as a immediate resistance for this M&M, so which is level which is nearby 539 levels, right? So based on this strategy, so taking that the M&M stock will move towards this 539 for this current month, and it is in the bullish mode. So based on this, we'll be going to make an option strategy. So for that I'll be choosing M&M, so which is in Mahindra and Mahindra, and you can see that the current stock is at the stock price is at 510, and we will be choosing the current expiry. Okay, so we need to buy one call option, so which is trading at the 28.7, and after that we need to sell 2 lots of 520 call option. Okay, so if you have a look at this strategy, so there is an upside break even still 547, and will be having the maximum profit of 26,000 if the stock closes anywhere between 500, and if it closes at the level of 520 will be getting the maximum profit. But anyhow, this is an unlimited loss strategy, so we should never trade using this unlimited, and we need to always hedge this level. Okay, so for that hedging purpose, I'll be buying one lot of 540 call option to hedge the naked sell options. Okay, so after this you can see that, so we'll be getting the maximum loss of 3000 and maximum profit of 5900. So we'll be getting the maximum profit if the stock expires at the level of 520. Okay, so here you can see that, so as we seen that stock is bullish and we'll be having the lower break even of 504, and as we have seen that the resistance level is at the level at 539, so we'll be having the upper break even at 536. So if the stock moves anywhere between this 504 and 536, we'll be in the profit. And if in such certain case, if the trend of this M&M turns bearish and it started reversal from this level, even then we can come out with the trade with the maximum loss of 3100. Okay, so this is one of the hedging strategy, and this is an long call butterfly strategy. Okay, so hope you guys like this video, and if you want to get many videos as well in the future, so please do subscribe to our channel then, and also click on that bell icon so that you'll be getting a notification whenever we upload any new videos. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends.